Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create your personalized avatar in the WhatsApp application on Android. So let us guide you through this. Launch Android on your Android and tap into the three dots here in the top right corner of your home screen and tap into settings. In the following menu guys, swipe down a bit and tap into avatar. And here simply start the creation by tapping into this green create your avatar button. Wait for WhatsApp for a brief moment to finish loading. After that, tap into create avatar again here at the bottom. And after this, you may select, for example, your selfie as foundation for your avatar or create one manually. So let me tap into create manually. And after that, start with, for instance, a skin color. So we will go, for example, with that one here. Tap into it, tap into next here at the bottom. Next, select your hairstyle. So let me go, for example, with this hairstyle here in the top left corner. Choose your hair color and tap into next here at the bottom. Continue with your face shape. So you may select one of that one here. You may also customize your entire looks by swiping down, for example, the chin size, for instance, or the face width and so on and so forth. Or you may go with one of these presets here at the top or tap into see all to gain access to more of these customizable templates. I will leave it at that and simply tap into next again to continue with the creation process. And in the last and final step guys, select also a body type. You may, for example, go with male or female here and select one of these types here. Let me select this one here for the sake of this tutorial. You may customize that as well by swiping down, for example, build, shoulders, and so on and so forth. And finalize the creation by tapping into continue at the bottom. Alright guys, after that you will be given the opportunity to add various, for example, like clothes, shoes, bottoms, outfits, dresses, and so on and so forth. So simply go through that library. Now I will leave it at that and I'll leave you, for example, finding out your preferred outfit yourself and finalize the creation by tapping into done in the top right corner. And that is going to create your avatar. If you'd like to publish it right away in your WhatsApp account, simply tap into publish avatar. If you'd like to keep editing it, tap into edit avatar at the bottom. And that's it. After that, your avatar will be saved so that you may start using it in your WhatsApp account, for example. And that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.